Hi, this is Madison with the Sensory Path, and I'm going to teach you how to install our Alphadots. Before starting, I made sure to sweep and mop the floors really well. A clean surface helps the image stick properly. Using the floor crease as a guide, I'll place my Alphadots. Don't worry, we include a layout. Here are two different ways to line up your Alphadots if your school has tile. I used either the center tile or the edge of the tile as a guide. Next, I'm peeling away the backing to remove the image. I'll place one side down and slowly squeegee across my Alphadot. If you're a little OCD like me, you can cut out a guide to help you position your Alphadots. And there you have it. Follow for more videos.